Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to download fonts on Mac using Adobe fonts. Alright, let's begin. Downloading fonts on a Mac using Adobe fonts is simple if you have an Adobe Creative Cloud subscription. Adobe Fonts, formerly known as Typekit, allows users to activate and use a vast library of professional fonts across various design applications, including those outside Adobe, such as Microsoft Word and Apple Pages. To get started, open the Creative Cloud desktop app on your Mac and sign in with your Adobe ID. Once you're logged in, click on the Fonts tab in the sidebar, or go directly to fonts.adobe.com using a web browser. Browse the available fonts by category, popularity, or search for a specific name. When you find a font you like, click on it to view the style variations, and then toggle the Activate Font switch. This will sync the font to your Creative Cloud account. Once you've selected your favorite variations, click on Add Fonts, and the fonts will be added to your Adobe apps. Click on OK, and then click on Open App at the bottom right corner of the screen, and your Creative Cloud app will be opened. You will see Adobe fonts are automatically installed and managed by the Creative Cloud app. You don't need to manually download or install font files as you would with traditional .ttf or .otf fonts. The activated fonts become available across your entire macOS system, which means you can use them not only in Adobe software like Photoshop and Illustrator, but also in apps like Microsoft Word, Pages, and Keynote. And that's it. So that's basically how you can download fonts on Mac using Adobe Fonts. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.